Today we're going to show you our new product release. Hey guys, Kevin with 𝙲𝚊𝚘𝚘𝚜 here. Today we're going to show you our new product release. This is a hood hinge to firewall brace for 82 to 92 Camaros. It replaces the factory style stamped steel one. We currently have a few shipped out to some of our customers with Firebirds to make sure that they're going to fit those correctly as well. Make sure they clear the HVAC box and all that. So pending Firebirds. This doesn't really add a whole lot of stiffening to anything. It just adds a little bit of extra bracing for the hood hinge. And so I know when you guys open your hoods, you can feel them twist and sway. This just helps the hood hinge a little bit. We came out with this just to help clean up the engine bay, make it look a little bit nicer. And it's a super easy install. Literally just need these 2 wrenches and an Allen wrench. All right, to remove your original bar, your factory one, just 2 10mm bolts. As I mentioned earlier, we're currently checking to make sure these are going to work with Firebirds. For whatever reason, GM did not put these on most of them. So we're going to make sure that it clears the HVAC boxes. They have the same holes here and here as well on the hinge and the firewall. We just don't know why GM didn't do it. So we're testing it before we say it'll work. All right, so here you can see we've got our factory rod off on the table. And then here's our new one. It's an anodized rod. We have 2 heim joints, 1 on each end. The heim joints allow for the angle that you get in your factory rod here to make up for that. We include stainless Allen head screw with a nylock nut. We also include a black and a machined washer to go on there. So for whatever color your car is, or however you have your engine bay set up, whatever would work better for you. Much better than the hardware that the factory used. And then this also gives you a little bit of adjustment. So if your car, their gens are all 40+ years old now, if it's out of whack just a little bit, you can adjust this to make sure it's going to fit. Okay, so for your install, all you're going to need is a 5/32 Allen wrench and a 7/16 wrench. I'm going to take one of my hardwares here. We're going to kind of cheat the system a little bit here and let the HVAC box help us hold the bar kind of where we want it. You're going to take your bolt with your washer and go through the top, and the brace is going to sit underneath your firewall. And then just get it started by hand always. And I'm going to go ahead and take the other side and start it as well. There's not really enough room here to run the bolt through, so you got to hold the nut on the bottom first, and then once you get it started by hand, it'll hold itself in place. Take your wrench and your Allen, just tighten those up. There's not really a torque amount, just get it good and snug. Like I said earlier, these aren't providing a ton of structural support. They're just kind of helping the hinge out a little bit. And then go up to this one. Well, that one's snug, and that's all there is to it. Whole thing shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes, guys. Super easy install. All right, guys, as you see, we're out in front of our shop today. You don't need a full garage. You don't need a huge toolbox, just a couple of tools we mentioned. 5 minutes, and you can make this swap out easy. One thing I didn't mention earlier, this is an aluminum rod. We send it out black anodized, but if you wanted to have it powder coated, painted, hydro dipped, whatever, you can do that because it's aluminum. Not a big deal. But remember, guys, like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys on the next video.